Namaste Vidya, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. Myself Dr. Mona Pathak, Assistant Professor in the Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today I am discussing about a topic that is gastric carcinoma and hematemesis and melanoma. So let's start today's topic. First, we start from introduction. The vomiting of what is hematemesis? The vomiting of frank blood or blood-containing vomitus is known as hematemesis. It is occurred due to sudden hemorrhage in GIT relatively of large in amount. What is melanoma? It is a black tarry stool occurs due to presence of digested iron in the stool. It is found in cases of chronic and mild hemorrhage in upper GIT or any kind of hemorrhage in intestine. What are the etiology of hematemesis and melanoma? What are the causes related to the esophagus? That is esophageal varices. Second is rupture of esophagus or trauma to esophagus during endoscopy, overeating, foreign bodies, severe retching, vomiting and vigorous coughing. Next is bursting of aortic aneurysm in the lumen of esophagus. Next is hyperthermia. Next, cancer of esophagus, bleeding, diathesis in hemophilia purpura. Causes of hematemesis and melanoma related to the stomach, that is peptic ulcer, gastritis, cancer of stomach, TB of stomach and bleeding diathesis in hemophilia and purpura. Next topic is gastric carcinoma or stomach carcinoma. It is common carcinoma among GI malignancies. Incidence: carcinoma of stomach comprise more than 90% of all gastric malignancy and is the leading cause related deaths in countries where incidence is high. The highest incidence is between 4 to 6 decades of the life and is twice more common in men than in women. What are the etiology of gastric carcinoma? A number of etiological factors have been implicated in causation of gastric cancer. These are dietary factors. The smoked high intake of salts, pickles, raw vegetables, non-veg, alcohol, tobacco, smoke makes a person prone towards celiac stomach. The high intake of vitamin A, green leafy vegetables reduce the risk of cancers. Geographical factors: Japanese are more prone to develop CA stomach, while incidence is low in US, UK and Canada. Racial factors: the incidence of CA stomach higher in black and Indians. Genetic factors: individual blood group A or with family history of gastric cancer have higher incidence. Premalignant disease of stomach, hypo or achlorhydria, polyp of stomach, peptic ulcer, partial gastrectomy may convert into gastric carcinoma. What are the morphological features? When CA stomach develop grossly, we can see ulcerative carcinoma, polypoidal carcinoma, serous carcinoma and colloidal mucoid carcinoma, superficial carcinoma. Microscopically, on the basis of microscopic features, the gastric carcinoma are adenocarcinoma, which arises from glandular structure. Spread of cancer: local spread to the surrounding tissue of the gastric walls and distant spread that is lymphatic spread and hematogenesis spread. In lymphatic spread, that will spread to the regional lymph nodes. This will gastric lymph nodes, mesenteric lymph node, paratic, aortic lymph nodes, and hematogenesis spread that will spread from by blood spread of CA stomach may involve brain, lung, liver and bone. More common in liver, lung, kidney due to double blood supply. This is all about the sessions. Thank you all of you.